In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn chat history on or off in Google Chat for direct messages and spaces. This is useful when you want more control over what gets saved and what stays temporary, whether you're chatting one-on-one, in a small group, or inside a space with your team. First, let's cover direct messages and group chats. Start by opening Google Chat in your browser or app. Once you're in, open the conversation you want to adjust. At the top of that conversation, click the name that appears in the header. This opens the conversation details where you can change the history setting. From there, simply choose Turn Off History or Turn On History, depending on what you need. That's it. The change applies to this specific conversation. When history is off, new messages won't be saved long-term, which can be helpful for quick, sensitive, or time-bound discussions. When history is on, messages are retained and searchable, which is great for ongoing work and reference. Keep in mind that participants typically see when history status changes, and if you don't see the option, your organization's admin may have set a policy that controls it. Now let's switch to spaces. Open the space where you want to manage history. At the top, click the space name to open its overview. Then select Space Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find the History control. Toggle history on or off based on your preference. Turning it on ensures conversations in that space are preserved for future reference, which is helpful for projects and documentation. Turning it off limits retention of new messages, which can be useful for brainstorming or conversations that don't need a permanent record. As with direct messages, this setting affects that specific space, and admins may determine whether you can change it. A few quick tips to use these settings confidently. Decide on history status before a discussion gets underway so everyone knows what to expect. Use history on for topics that require follow-up, task tracking, or compliance, and history off for short-lived or exploratory conversations. If your team works across both direct messages and spaces, remember these controls are separate, so adjust them where you need the change. That's all you need to manage chat history in Google Chat. Open the conversation or space, access the name at the top, go into the relevant settings, and turn history on or off to match your needs.